Hi, it's Xenforo here, and I've just completed the upgrade to Xenforo, which is our forum software. So I'm just going to run through a couple of bits and pieces that are slightly different, but hopefully I'll explain things. You may have noticed that the user bar has moved down a bit. This is supposedly so it's better on iPads, seems to be, but everything that was there before is still there. So you should get all of those features there. The main thing I wanted to cover for this one was the editor, because the editor has changed quite a bit. It's a different editor, so it looks a bit different. Let's pick a thread. All right, go on to this one, and if I go into here, you can see down at the bottom we've now got a much monochrome editor. So you can see the one above it, that's how it used to be. It's now like this. It's again, it's for the iPad generation, I think, more than anything, in that it's a bit more compact, so it should fit on. But everything is still there. If you want, you've still got your buttons for doing the underline, font size. If you click on the font family, it will then come up with a different styles that you can apply. Likewise, the alignment, instead of 3 buttons, it's down onto 1, but if you click on it, it then pops up with a little, whether you want left, right, or centre. The links are still there for creating the links. Ordered list, smileys, inserting images, media, that all works the same. Insert there is where you find the stuff for quoting or spoiler code or code or strike through, and it will also save drafts. You can start editing something, go away, come back, and it should still be there. Smileys are there, so if you click on the smiley button, it should pop up with the usual range that we have there. Can sort that out later. But other than that, it's all there. So one thing to show on this is you can also now tag users. So if you wanted to mention, say, what shall we have? Plastic card crafts by. Now if I put in the ampersand character and start typing a username, it'll pop up with all of the names there. Now Steve Cook's the one doing it. So if I put plastic art cooked by Steve Cook, so this is if you're talking about something, you're referencing A-side or one of the other modelers, you can actually put this in here. When you post the reply, it will then create an alert for him as well, so that when he comes onto the system, he'll get an alert box that says you've been mentioned in this thread over here. So instead of having to point it out to people, we can reference it like that. But other than that, I think, and then again, more options. You can see it came up with draft saved. So more options is more about uploading files, and the usual system there works. Hopefully that should have covered the new editor. So I'll finish there.